How to enable or disable voice access activation button on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, in here, tap on voice access. Then we go down and tap on settings. In voice access settings, scroll down and then tap on activation button. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off. Switch it on. Here, display a button to start voice access from any screen. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.